Okay, today I'm at my house number 2. This is a house I only rent out. I have the truck here and I have the Terex here, and the project today is to clean up a lot of debris from carpeting in the house. If you've seen my Yanmar video, you will have seen that I was doing a lot of carpeting inside the house, and yeah, all this mess is from walls that have been changed out because of water damage and a lot of other stuff. So today the plan is to get everything up in the truck, and then we will drive everything to Jack's cabin, the guy that was with me in Akkarfjord, helping me with driving the dumper. He will use everything for fiery wood and stuff like that. So yeah, I have the grip on the Terex with the homemade rotator, so I will be loading with that. But first task at hand is to get the truck up here. It's quite a steep angle and only gravel, so I think I need some speed. Okay, I didn't get the truck as far up as I wanted to, but I think I can load everything in the beginning here without any problems now. Okay, first part is cleaned up. Now I would like to see if I can get the truck a little bit higher up here, so I can have the back end of the truck around here where the excavator is, and then I can stand here and load with the excavator. I got the truck a little bit further up, so now it's ready for loading the rest. then we are 1 hour from where I was loading the wood on the trailer, and we are now at Jack's cabin, and here we will tip the wood, and Kalani is now backing up the truck on off-road, and we will tip it over here. So we need to back up in this area. And there is the tractor. And the patio for Jack's cabin. No, garage. He's making a garage here. So I guess Jack will use some time cutting everything up. Bara kom rätt bak. Okay, then we will take off the straps and tip everything. So, then we have delivered 1 truckload with firing wood. Something like that for Jack. And it's just 1 hour ride home. So, then the truck has been emptied, and this is how far I got with 1 truckload. So I think the rest will go on the trailer, so I'm planning now to just put everything on the trailer and go to the garbage place tomorrow with it.